Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit and delete events on Google Calendar. So for you to edit or delete your event on Google Calendar, here's how you can get it done. You can just click on the already created event you have in your Google Calendar. Just click on it, or you can just double click on it. If you click on it, then you have something like this beside your event, or if you double click on it, you have another chance where you can edit your event on Google Calendar, and the edit comes with different type of stuff you want your calendar, your events it's all about. Like you can easily add locations. Once you add locations, of where your event is taking place, you can easily change the event color on your calendar. You can also add an attachment to your description. Also, you can decide to remove or add more guests to your event. After that, then just click on save, and if you want to delete your already created event, just click on the event, then you click on this option, and that is how you can delete your event on Google Calendar. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.